I'm gonna show you how to manage your automatic payments here in PayPal. I know if you're like me, sometimes you sign up for some stuff that you need for that moment, and if you don't read the fine prints, they're gonna automatically charge you monthly or yearly, and you forget to cancel that. But let me show you how to just go to your PayPal and look at all your payments and automatic payments and how to cancel. First, what you want to do, just go ahead and sign in. As you can see, I got charged today $69 from this company, One Bowl Technology. I don't know what it is, and I did a little research. I think I may have purchased some PDF formatting or something. I don't know, but whatever I did, I forgot to cancel it, so it charged me today. So here go what you can do. Just go up here to this little, looks like a sprocket to me, but click on it. Once you click on it, you want to go to payments right here. Click on payments and go to manage automatic payments. Once you click on that, you see you got stuff right here, automatic payments. You can click on it and get details. That's like, we're going to click on this Office Depot. I don't have no automatic payments set up for it, but if I buy something on Office Depot, it will bill to my PayPal, and I got my bank account linked to it. But you get all your description. But this is the one that I got right here that charged me today. So I'm gonna click on it, and you see the last payment was today is $69. So what you can do, I'm gonna just go down here so you can read payments. See, this is reoccurring yearly, $69 a year. I had forgot I had purchases. I don't even know if I did it or not, or maybe somebody got into my account, hacked my account. But the only thing you need to do is just go up here and hit cancel. So once you hit cancel, it tells you right here that cancel for all future payments. So if I want to dispute that $69, I would have to go to the company, or I guess I can dispute it on here. You got to make sure that you click this cancel automatic payments. Once you're done that, it'll say you are good to go. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.